Hi children, hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn words with the sound O-R-E. Okay children, let's start. So what is the sound of O children? The sound of O is O, right? And the sound of R is and the sound of E is A. But when we have all these three letters O, R, E together, we get the sound OR. Okay. What sound do we get? OR. Okay. So when we have letters O, R, E in a word, we get the sound OR. Okay. Now let's practice some words with this sound. Okay. B, or, bore. Repeat after me. B, or, bore. K, or, core. K, or, core. M, or, more. M, or, more. S, or, sore. S, or, sore. T, or, door. T, or, door. L, or, lore. L, or, lore. P, or, pour. P, or, pour. Sp, sp. We learned, right children? Sp sound. Sp, or, spore. Sp, or, spore. Sw, or, swore. Sw, or, swore. What sound we'll get children when we have S and C together? In blends we'll learn, right? Sk, or, score. Sk, or, score. When we have CH, what sound we'll get? Sh, ch, or, sure. Ch, or, sure. Okay, children? So you have to practice saying these words with or sound. Okay? B, or, bore. K, or, o, core. M, or, more. Okay? So like this, you need to say all the words 5 times and practice saying it loudly. Okay? And your second homework is you need to write these words in your notebook 2 times. Okay? So you have to write the words 2 times. And when you're writing, you need to say the sound of the words you're writing. Okay? And practice well. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye.